Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to find your blocked list on PayPal. To find your blocked list on PayPal, first of all open the PayPal application on your mobile device and log in. You can also log into paypal.com on a web browser. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right corner, and within your profile section, tap on Data and Privacy. You will need to log into your PayPal account with your passkey or your PIN code if enabled, and inside the Data and Privacy page, tap on Blocked Contacts. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see the list of blocked users on the page. If you want to unblock the contact, there will be an unblock button next to the contact's name to remove them from your blocked list. So that is how you easily find your blocked list on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.